Hello humans, Seyeren here, and in today's video I'm unboxing my custom order from Doodledaaze. Okay guys, I am super excited about today's video because I get to show off one of my best friends of all time. I have known this girl since I was 5 years old. Yeah, count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 years old. It's crazy, I know. She is an incredible human being and she is an even more incredible artist. This girl is talented. If you have seen my SeyerenSays profile picture on Instagram, that is her work. If you've seen my profile Instagram picture on my Veyeb Tribe page, on my YouTube Veyeb Tribe channel, if you've seen any of the banner art for that, she did that. If you saw the logos for our Feyer and Eyece channel, she did all that. So I am making this video to support her art, blast her art out there for you guys to see, and hopefully you guys can appreciate it as much as I do. I definitely have always been a really big fan of watermelon, and Lauren actually made me a watermelon necklace a long time ago when she first started getting into making like clay figures. And I kept it for the longest time, but then sadly the string got moldy from my old apartment, and when I tried to detach the watermelon from the string, the watermelon broke and I was heartbroken. So I reached out to her and I told her what happened. I sent her a picture and she's like, well, I guess I'm gonna have to make you another one. And I was like, hold up, wait a minute, I have a brilliant idea. So I reached out to her and I asked her if there was any way that they could custom make me those watermelon earrings, because I had the idea and I thought it would be really cute, and she actually reached back out to me and told me she could. I PayPal'd her the money, she sent me it, I have it now, and I'm very excited to show it off. She does pet portraits, she does really incredible art. I'm actually gonna show you guys a painting that she did inspired by me. Look at that and tell me that's not like the cutest, most amazing painting that you've ever seen in your life, and she said it was inspired by me. She is an incredible artist. She's been in my life for a very long time and I'm very excited to show off her work. I will link all of her work in the description below so you guys can check it out. Definitely go show her some love. She takes special requests as well, so if you see anything that you really like, definitely go and ask her to see if she could maybe make you a set yourself. She sent me a custom note with it. It was really sweet. I'm sorry your super OG necklace broke, but hopefully you will love your upgrade. Crazy throwback memory reading this note. We were friends and she moved away like a few times while we were younger, and that was before like cell phones were a big thing, before we could text message. So we actually pen palled each other and wrote each other letters, and I actually still have a lot of the letters. So that might be a fun video to do one day, going through all of the letters from childhood. But let's get on into this beautiful artwork. Now, like I said, she does pet portraits, she does actual artwork, logos, designs, as I said, with the designs that she made for me and really saved my life on that. But she also makes keychains, she makes earrings, and necklaces. So I'm really excited to show you guys the beauty that is my watermelons. Look at it, isn't it so cute? Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. They're so cute. Like, okay, I have to put them on. I can't wait any longer. This looks almost exactly like the one I used to have, but it's adjustable. The old one wasn't, so thank you for that upgrade, Lauren. You're looking out, I appreciate it. Now, the cool thing with this one as well is that it's sparkly. My old one was not sparkly. So let's get this on the head, over the clip. Yes, there we go. Now we just need to adjust it to be higher now that it's on the neck. I honestly cried when the necklace broke. I had had that necklace forever, and I literally wear it with this shirt when I go out all the time, and I would always order a watermelon vodka because that's just, you know, how the classy ladies do it. And once I got this necklace, I would just go in and be like, and he would know. Like, thank you, Lauren, for making my ordering of drinking so much easier when I go out to clubs. Now, she is incredible because I have a really, really, really sensitive skin. I have sensitive skin. So sensitive that I can't wear jewelry most of the time, and it sucks because I love jewelry. So, when we were talking about her making these, I asked her if there were any like special metals that she could use or something that wouldn't irritate my skin, and she found these really neat. If you can see the back of it, it's plastic. Oh, I dropped it. I dropped it. But she found plastic. Like, it's plastic. So it's not gonna irritate my skin, and I can wear it for as long as I want. And the cord is the right kind of cord that doesn't irritate my neck. A lot of times I can't wear anything for any time because it just gets so irritating on my neck. But yes, oh my gosh, look at how cute it is, guys. I love it. Thank you so much, Lauren. Thank you, Doodledaaze. Definitely check out Lauren's art. She is my best friend. She is so talented. She can make custom keychains, jewelry. Just hit her up. I will put all of her information in the description below. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you guys for being fruity with me, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what your favorite summer fruit is in the comments below. Mine obviously is watermelon. I use watermelon in everything I can. Again, thank you guys so much for staying tuned. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and tap that bell so you can see my new videos every single Wednesday. Thank you guys so much. I love you all so much. Bye!